Hi, I'm John with sandblastingmachines.com with another item off the shelf. Today, I want to talk to you about the Clemco PQV Pro metering valve. The PQV Pro is a normally closed, pneumatically operated abrasive metering valve. When the control handle is released, the air-assisted spring pressure keeps the valve closed. When the control handle is pressed, the air assist vents and control air pressure overcomes the spring pressure and opens the valve to a specific point set by turning the metering knob. When the control handle is released, control pressure vents and spring pressure closes the valve, stopping abrasive flow. The PQV Pro works with common abrasives with a mesh size between 16 and 220. This includes steel shot, silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, garnet, coal slag, glass bead, crushed glass, and even lightweight abrasives if installed on a machine with a 60-degree conical bottom. The PQV Pro can be purchased with a 1.5-inch outlet pipe and ball valve, or a 1.25-inch outlet pipe with or without a ball valve. The PQV Pro can be found on sandblastingmachines.com by navigating to the media valves category and choosing the Clemco PQV Pro valve assembly. For sandblastingmachines.com, I'm John, and thanks for watching.